Hello everyone. Today's presentation is about network security in CIE computer science course. This video is made to help students understand SSL and TLS clearly. When we're doing online shopping, we always want to make sure the website is safe and our sensitive information will not be hacked. It is not hard to notice that there is always a padlock and HTTPS in the address bar. So, do HTTPS and the padlock has anything to do with security? Let's start with HTTP. In the beginning, people were looking for a way to share information on the internet. They came up with a procedure for exchanging information and called it Hypertext Transfer Protocol, known as HTTP. But once everyone knew how to exchange information, intercepting on the internet has been much easier. Your bank account, for example, might be easily hacked. So do we have any solution to it? Clever people agreed upon a procedure to protect the information they exchanged, and the protection relies on SSL certificate. To encrypt the online data, the procedure is called Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. In this case, S represents secure. With HTTPS, even if someone in between could open the message, they could not understand it. Only the sender and the recipient who know the code can comprehend the message. The secure socket layer and transport layer security are both cryptographic protocols that provide authentication and data encryption between servers, machines, and applications operating over a network. SSL is the predecessor to TLS. Over the years, new versions of protocols have been released to address vulnerabilities and support stronger and more secure cipher suites and algorithms. Turn to handshake process. The handshake process is basically a process of negotiation between two communicating participants at the start of the communication. There are several steps of it. Step 1. The browser requests a secure page, HTTPS, from a server. Step 2. The server sends back the SSL certificate signed by a third party and its public key. Step 3. Once the browser receives the certificate, it will make sure if it's valid by checking the digital signature. If the digital signature can be trusted, a green padlock will occur in the address bar. It also means the web server's public key really belongs to the one they claim they are. Step 4. The browser creates a session key and makes a copy of it and then send the copy to the web server. However, the browser does not want to send a plain text, so it uses the web server's public key to encrypt the session key. From now on, the client and the web server will use the same key, the session key, to encrypt and decrypt in order to make their communication safer. Remember, HTTP and the green padlock only mean the communication between the browser and the server is being encrypted. It does not mean the website is secure or can be trusted. So whether a website is safe or not, it still depends on the reputation of it. Let's turn to some past paper questions. So firstly, what is a protocol? In general, protocols describe how algorithms should be used. And the answer will be a set of rules governing communications, transmissions of data, sending and receiving data. For 2 and 3, the client can be a browser and the server can be a web server, as we mentioned before. For the last question, according to the definition, SSL and TLS are designed to protect our information transmitting through the internet. In this case, SSL and TLS play a role in security. Also, SSL and TLS make sure the conversation is private between the client and the server. So the answer will be security and privacy. Okay, thank you for your listening.